Stove had been working fine. Started using broiler and saw smoke coming from slot under touch control panel for oven, next to but not the oven vent.
What's the make and model of your oven? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Frigidaire Feffel 88 AK.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Opened the back of the unit after turning off the power and saw no burnt wires. All the wires seem to go under the glass cooktop. Turned power back on and all burners work okay, and so does oven, but haven't tried the broiler again.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Had oven door open during broiling, so any cooking smoke should have come out the front right.
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. Please note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. Also, the website will send you a phone call offer that is not from me. If you have done any baking where meat may have splattered grease up onto the broil heating element, it could smoke when the broil element started heating. Since you cannot find anything that is burnt, let's go ahead and select a broil cycle and see if it smokes and continues to smoke. I suspect that it may smoke a bit more than dissipate as the oil/grease is burnt off the element. Let me know what happens, please.
Thanks for the response. It will be several hours before I can try that.
No problem, just reply back when you can. The replay will come right back to me.
Well, I tried the broiler and ran for 15 minutes without any smoke coming from below the oven control panel. I opened the complete back of the stove and this picture appears to be the possible source, the convection element, but I wasn't using convection. Where the smoke was coming from was where the back of the cooktop come up to meet the stove control panel. Like something got under the cooktop and the high heat of the broiler heated the top of the oven, which in turn started whatever it was smoking.
That is just where the broil element goes through the oven liner. With the oven door closed, you have very few places that smoke can come out of the oven cooking cavity, and that opening is just one of them. Where the white and orange wire are attached to the broil element, that discolor is normal on ovens over time. And the heat from the oven cannot get to the wiring under the cooktop due to the 2 inches of insulation than a metal panel above the insulation. Always glad to assist you anytime. Thank you in advance. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me Master Tech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me 5 stars is the only way I get paid for my time. I do not get compensated until you rate me.
Sorry, but that picture shows where the element for the convection fan goes into the oven, and on the other side it is a plate that leaves very little of an opening. Why might that insulation be so discolored? It looks like a lot of heat is coming out there and up to the wiring and motor above it. Thanks for your help so far.
As stated earlier, the insulation is discolored due to heat and smoke, steam coming out of the oven through that small opening. Which again is a normal sight on all ovens and all oven manufacturers' ovens, not just Frigidaire. Any open of the oven cavity will have that, and the higher the opening in the oven, the more discolored it will be, due to heat rises.
Okay, thanks again.
Glad to assist you anytime.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.